Alright guys, shooting a 4K video today, so be sure to adjust that resolution. Link in the description to this exact model. Anyway, here we go. This is my wood furnace that I heat my garage with. Has a blower on the rear. It's lined with fire bricks all the way around it. Has holes for the ashtray in the bottom for the ashes to fall down in. I'll try to get some video of the blower. It's gonna be kind of dark, but that's the blower there. It's brand new. The guy I bought it off of just replaced it before we sold it. The temperature switch here, you can manually turn the blower on if you need to, or just wait till it heats up and it kicks on by itself. 6-inch exhaust pipe and then 8-inch blower pipe. Right now the blower's off for this video so you guys can hear me. I just lit the fire. Plug it in here so you guys can hear it. This thing will heat 3,000 square feet is what it's recommended for, and it's about $1,400. It's double walled, so the outside you could touch. It's really just gets warm, doesn't get really hot. But that'll wrap this one up, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys are still warming with wood and whatnot.